Good morning, my friends. This is VJ Franz K with a mystery unboxing to show you. So what could be inside this mysterious box that I ordered from Amazon? Discount sale. What is it? RUKUS Effects Pro. And I don't know if you have or haven't heard of this before. And oh wow, it's an opened box. So we'll see what happens in that regard. But what is it? It's a kind of music, toy, fitness, jam thing that the price was right. And the difference between the RUKUS Pro and the RUKUS Amateur, I guess the original one, was that you can apply your own musical samples to this one. Package is kind of in poor condition, shall we say. See the item itself. Out. Let's see. So here it is, and it's a handheld device. You sort of wrap your hand around it, and then let's see. How do I open this in the best possible way here? Just cut this tape. So I guess you use your phone to connect to it, to upload your new set of samples, or not. So here it is, and for my adult-sized hand, actually, it fits all right. It fits all right. I mean, obviously they were using a family-friendly audience there, and there is the USB-C, which is the reason, like I said, that we ordered the RUKUS Effects Pro and not the other one, which doesn't have USB-C on it. So it's got this, let's see, well, and I guess it has a removable skin on the external surface. So I wonder if it is connected or if it has power already. See, is this a volume switch? Did that just turn it on? Guess we have to read, and then it definitely made a sound. Oh, and the other thing that I liked about this is it has this headphone jack. And of course that means that we could use it as an element in a portable jam. So RUKUS Pro, and let's see, there's tutorials, a studio app. Download the RUKUS Effects Pro Studio app. Tutorials, features, create your own studio tracks, DJ mixing party, blah blah blah. Let's see. So it's 3 AAA batteries. Okay, so that's the smallest size of batteries, and where we put them in, is that obvious? Oh, it's another one of those battery compartments that has a screw on it. See, I guess I need to remove here is the battery slot on the bottom. Alright, so I need to remove the go through this string here, and so there, so I can hold it, and it looks like, yep, there's a thumb button, and so thumb button, and then trigger button, and then it Whoa. It's alive. It's definitely alive. All right. I stand corrected. It comes with batteries. How nice. So, what happened? But anyway, let's see. Oh, all right. Well, you see, there are 4 simple moves here. There are the punch, the swipe, the flick, and the twist. And yes, you could compare it to bucket. Okay, I twisted. So it's making all these strange sound effects because I'm twisting it. And if I flick, it's like a battle happening. And if I swipe, if I punch, I better move my thing off the table here. Punch. Punch. Okay, so it's like effects from an action movie or something. Flick. Wow. Well, this is already going to be worth it just to see what people say when I suddenly bring this out and a kung fu jam sort of begins. So, oh, it's lighting up. See, the lights are too bright in here, but when I initiate those sounds, colorful lights are... I guess I better turn off the lights in this room, and then we'll really see it light up. So, got RUKUS effects again, and I'll give it a gesture. See, that initiated a green glow, which appears white on the camera for some reason. So then punch, punch, twist, flick. So now it's a green glow that you can see. And then swipe from left to right. Punch. Oh, on the punch, you can see this purple glow. So the question is, how do we cycle through all the sounds? But we'll figure that out later. Well, I was worried because the package looked kind of haggard there, but you know, the item itself appears to be fine, and they did include batteries, which is a classy extra touch there. So let's see. And I can remove this bright blue skin from it, and I guess that is their idea for different people to have their own color scheme. And I'll just remove it because, you know, we are high-tech people. We tend to go for simplicity in terms of, and not easily.
Target locked and ready.
Target locked and ready. It easily came off, but now we can see. Okay, so here it is. Plastic, yes, lightweight. It's got that headphone jack, which I like, and don't know what these buttons all do yet, but yep, that important USB-C. And then, oh, okay, so I can now see the buttons. Can flip through various amusing novelty sounds. And there's a record button, which could initiate some musical game. There's a microphone button and a volume button. Now, question is, does the microphone button enable some kind of sampling? Probably it does. But I liked the idea of being able to load it with samples. And now I can see that the switch now has, what is that? There are 3 selections on the switch. So this is the third position. It's like an alien artifact, you see. Ah, okay, so I was probably in sound effect mode. Now I'm in the music mode. So I have this sort of Daft Punk type sound. So I guess the idea is that these are all sort of short sample loops here. And so you get used to yeah, it could be fun for exercise, it really could, but you know, I also could use it in a performance and just surprise people again with my unusual music devices, right? So it's like designed as a, you know, toy or casual device, but you could use it in real music, and some circuit benders could get their hold on it, perhaps, and bend those sample playback systems in some weird way. Okay, so anyway, there'll be a lot more to figure out, you know, fun times ahead playing with this. But the other thing is, you know, as you can see from my collection of polyhedra and all of this stuff, I just I like stuff to mess around with, and I build my synthesizer rigs to include plenty of stuff to mess around with. So I could just casually walk down the street or somewhere and just rock out with this thing. Oh yeah, welcome to my game show, you know, but whatever. Oh yeah. Well, you know, another surprising surprise, right? On VJ Fonske here. And if you've got any questions, just leave your comments and you know, it's music is kind of wacky, but imagine it filled up with experimental music or IDM loops or something. So, and yeah, I mean, you could be practicing your sample time by using the various gestures to, you know. So, yeah, sure, fun times. RUKUS FX Pro. Keep flipping through for a few more minutes since we're all here. Get it. Baby. Get it.
Go, 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 right.
It's got sort of 90s dance jam feel to it. I'm getting into it. See? That's what they made it for. Funky. So drum loop. Okay. They gave us usable drum loops here. So you can pretend like you're drumming a sort of funk rock drum loop there, and use the different gestures. I mean, obviously, I can't really do these gestures while it's in front of the camera. Yeah, but get into the groove, you know? Actually, and you know, in a way, this looks like kind of one of those brass knuckle things, or one of those giant rings. So you could be like from classic hip hop or something. So you could be doing your hand gestures and then actually keeping this drum loop going if you get the feel of the sensors, because obviously the sensors require a certain amount of force to make them register. It's not the slightest motion, but oh, I see. So volume control, voice record button, performance record button, next song, previous song. So this is the voice record button. Let me see if I can see where the microphone might be. Oh, that's it. Let me see if I can see where the microphone might be. Let me see if I can see where the microphone might be. Let me see if I can see where the microphone might be. Well, I succeeded in sampling. All right, let's try it again. Let me see. Let's go sample. All right, well, we'll figure this out later, but it is sampling, so. Let me see if I can see where the microphone might be. Yeah, well, it did it, so. Good enough for now, good enough for a start. You know, I'll watch the. Let me see if I can see where the microphone might be. See, and what is this? The third selection on the switches is off. Okay, that's good. Conserve the batteries when you're not using it. You know me, I like my batteries, so let's see, switch it into the third once again. Hoya! So, oh wait, I can control the volume here. Okay, so it's a little bit more quiet here, so I'm not annoying anyone else in the immediate area. Let's see. So, okay, so now what this is doing is, in the sound effects mode, it is flipping through. So this is sci-fi sort of battle noises, clanging of swords and shields or something, and so yeah, it's like, oh, industrial noises, robotic noises. This could be the best one because you just sort of move your hand around and it looks like you're moving a robot, or you're dancing the robot or something. It's hard to do the punch when you're not actually able to punch into the air, except for, let's see. Oh, chiptune. Ha!